Hey guys, welcome back. Tennessee Yankee here. Hey, tonight I want to bring you a quick video on the Can-Am. I want to show you my street legal turn signal kit that I had. Actually had the dealer install this particular one, but it's pretty compact and it meets the requirements that you need to be street legal, at least here in Tennessee. Let's check it out. Okay, part of this setup is obviously where you gotta have your controls. So they did that here in this little area. I think that's where Can-Am's stereo controller would go. So they use that spot. It works for me. So let me turn on the ignition here and I'll show you what happens here. So it's just a toggle switch for left and right. So you turn it to the right and it's just going to flash. Same thing with the left. And then we also have a little horn button here. Quite loud actually. So let me run the right one. So pretty small. During the daytime, I don't know how much you'd see it, but it's quite bright. So, and then they got a similar one here on the left side. So let me show you what it looks like on the front. Let's switch it here. And this is where they have it mounted on the front by the LED. So overall, pretty bright and meets the requirements. Hey guys, thanks again for tuning into this quick clip. I'll go ahead and find that the link to that Super ATV kit, stick that in the description. Appreciate you watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and look for more content. Thanks again.